What's up, YouTube? Just got a package in today. Thought I would do a quick unboxing. This is one of my more significant orders from Soulstar Crystals on Facebook, and that's already cut. So I just thought I would do a quick unboxing and share my first impressions of what I got in from them. And it's a fairly big order as far as how I order things is concerned, so I'm pretty excited because I bet it'll be a while before I have something like this again. So I'll try to get everything within frame. Looks like they're all individually bagged, which is good. Alright, get right into it. My knife is not sharp this morning. Alright. Now these I requested this week, so not bad. Some Malachite. Nice big one. I'd like to maybe do a Tree of Life with that one. Got some Howlite. I really like Soulstar. They're good people. They go live a couple times a week, and they're just nice to deal with. I think they're based out of Virginia. Nice big Howlite, which is turquoise's cousin. It seems like if you ever see a fake turquoise, it's a Howlite that's been dyed. Alright. Which is a shame because Howlite on its own is a nice looking stone, so. Alright. Now this is about 3 weeks worth of orders kind of piled up, and they go live a couple times a week, and I'll pick up a couple things here and there. So some of this might not make any sense, like why I would have. I think I've got 2 or 3 different bags of Labradorite because they were different nights and different sizes. This is a bag of really large Labradorite cabs, and there's some really nice big ones in there. I don't know how thorough you guys would like to have a unboxing, but look at the size of these guys. Wow. So anyway, got some really nice ones. Those will be perfect for trees. Also got some, I guess, what are they called? I forget the name of these, like pendants, or I forget the name of them. I basically just got some mixed, some of these guys. I can't remember the name, but I wanted to try it out just for something new. Some Sodalite, some little blue cabs. Might could work one of these into a tree. If not, then just a normal wrap would be fine too. Let's see what this is. Yeah, they hold your order for you and put a box together. So when you can fill up a priority box, they'll just ship it. So over the course of a few weeks of watching their live shows, I've been able to fill up my first box with them. Alright, these I've been waiting on. Now I can't remember the proper way to say this. It's spelled C-H-A-O-R-I-T-E. Howlite? Carite? I can't remember. Been waiting on these guys though. I've got someone interested in one of these guys getting wrapped. Purple. Really nice purple. Alright, got some more Labradorite. I think this was before I committed to what you're about to see. So some small cabs. I want to keep this one kind of short and sweet. So I will move on, and if there's time I'll revisit some of this. Well, they package things really well, so I'll give them that. I think I've had 2, maybe 3 small shipments from them, so this is the first time I've gotten significant quantity of things. So I've been really excited and anxious, waiting on these to come in. Can you tell what it is? Moonstone. Got a kilogram of Moonstone. Oh, there goes my dogs. Let's see if they'll not do that very much. Extremely excited about these guys. Looks like they're mostly small pieces. Don't think I'll get too many trees out of that batch, but that's okay. Don't know what this is. Ah, some more Sodalite. Some nice big pieces in there. I love Sodalite. I don't know why. It's one of my favorite stones. Probably because I like blue. I think that's why. But even though a lot of people are not beating my door down to get Sodalite from me, I still just keep getting it. Just can't help myself, I guess. Oh boy. And this I ordered, I think after this little bag. I decided to commit to a full kilogram of Labradorite. And there are some really nice quality Labradorite. And lots of them. I shouldn't need Labradorite or Moonstone for years at the rate that I'm wrapping. Like half a dozen a week. It seems like at best. So I don't know, maybe my production will go up this next year because my schedule's going to change in the fall next year. But anyway, there we are, guys. If you see anything you like, you might be interested in, reach out to me. I'm gonna just keep doing what I do. I usually just pick what I like and wrap them unless I have a custom order coming up. But I usually can stay ahead of those pretty well. So anyway, hope you guys found this interesting. Again, this is from Soul Star Crystals on Facebook. They go live a couple times a week, and they have their own little rock show going on, and the prices are really good, and they're nice people, good people, and if you watch them too much, you will spend too much money on stones like I have done right here. So anyway, thank you guys for watching.